Everyone is talking about AI replacing jobs. People are asking, will AI take my job? But I think that's a wrong question. The better question is, what skills will AI make even more valuable? And the answer might surprise you. Soft skills. For years, we've called communication, leadership, emotional intelligence, teamwork, empathy as soft skills, as if they were optional. I know that AI can write an email, create a presentation, summarize a meeting, even generate codes. But do you think that AI can motivate a struggling team, read emotions in the room, or resolve conflicts between the colleagues? Of course, no. And this is not just my opinion. According to many studies and research, employers ranked analytical thinking, resilience, leadership, creative thinking, empathy, and active listening among the most important skills for the future. Did you notice something? Most of them are not technical skills, they are human skills. So maybe it's time we stop calling them soft skills. There is nothing soft about leading people through change. Nothing soft about calming an angry customer. Nothing soft about speaking with confidence, resolving conflicts, or inspiring others to take actions. Those are difficult skills, and they are becoming some of the most valuable skills in the workplace. The future doesn't belong to the people who compete with AI. It belongs to people who learn how to work with it while mastering the skills that makes us uniquely human. Because AI can generate information, but people generate trust.